everyone, welcome to my channel, Mimi's Makeup. In this video, I'm gonna show you something that I got from Amazon, just arrived from a minutes ago, and I can't wait to try it. This one, it's a gel polish from ursugar or ursugar, and as you can see, it's pretty small. I didn't expect it would be that small, but it's 7.5 ml, so of course it would be that small. It's my first time to have something that small, so yeah, so let's give it a try and see the color. I really love the color from the picture, and I hope it will be the same. So it's my first time to try a gel polish, so I wanted to try it with you guys. So if it's nice and beautiful, of course I'm gonna link it where I got this one from in the description box down below if you like it and wanna give it a try. But okay, let's jump into it. So I'm so excited, so I wanted to share that experience with you guys. And as you can see, this is my nails, my natural nails with a polish, like top coat over it. So I'm gonna apply that over the top coat and cure it in my UV lamp. And yeah, let's jump into it. So let's get started. Okay, I guess it's still a little wet, so I'm gonna add another 30 seconds. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god, so whoa, that is beautiful. That is beautiful. Okay, I am blown away right now. Oh my god, so I'm gonna apply another coat. Alright. Perfect! It's so beautiful that I expected. Oh my god. That is amazing. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is absolutely perfect. I guess I need to cure it more. A little. I don't know, but I guess so. I'll cure it another 3 seconds. Okay. Okay, it doesn't have anything to tell me how much I need to cure this one. I guess I need to take another look, but I cured it for about like a minute now, and I'm cured it for another 30 seconds to see. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's definitely perfect. That's way perfect. I don't feel it's like wet anymore. But the finish is absolutely amazing. It's so shiny and so beautiful. I don't need a top coat over this one. Of course, I'm gonna do my other hand, but this is a comparison between both. If you wanna to compare, as you can see, my natural nails and my polish, it's absolutely perfect. I really love it. It's just like a little bit lighter than the color on the packaging, but it's absolutely amazing. I'm so happy with this. I'm really happy with this. Yeah. Okay, I finished my second hand, and as you can see, it's pretty awesome. Actually, you can apply one coat or two coat. For me, I love the two coat, but still one coat is pretty nice, not too opaque, but still sheer and beautiful. So for me, I really love this color, and yeah, I of course it's in a trial, so I'm gonna see how this one is gonna last and what's about it. But overall, I am in love with this. It's my first time, as I told you, to apply gel nails and like gel polish, and I am obsessed. I really love it. So this is for this video. I really hope you like this process and trying this one with me live on camera. I really enjoyed it, and I'm so happy with my nails. Oh my god, I really love it. Actually, after I had a really nice long nails again, natural nails, I'm like, oh my god, guys, I spent years trying to make my nails long again. So happy. So yeah, this is for this video. I really hope you like it, and of course the product will be in the description box down below if you want to go and check it out. And of course, as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These things be in the description box down below. Don't forget to hit the bell button so you have notification every time I upload a new video on my channel, and I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. I love you so much. Bye.